that everyone be subjected to the governing authorities. For there is no authority except which God has established, and the government that exists is established by God. Mga Kristiyano, tinawag po tayo sa pagsunod. Tinawag po tayo hindi para lakaran ang lakad ng mundo. Tinawag po tayo para manalangin. Tinawag po tayo para pagkaisahin ng bansang Pilipinas sa panalangin, mga kapatid. And sabi nga po sa Ephesians 5:15-16, malinaw po na sinasabi doon na be careful how we live, not as unwise but as wise. Maging matalino po tayo hindi lang sa pisikal, kundi pati sa espiritual. Baka po nagagamit na tayo ni Satanas na hindi pa natin napagmamalayan. Sa ating mga emosyon, there's a lot of fake news. Kapatid, bilang Kristiyano, binigyan tayo ng Lord ng wisdom. And be aware using fake news, watching fake news. Kasi pag nagbasa tayo ng fake news, it is counterfeit of truth. Pag fake news po, counterfeit, it is fake. It's not come from God, it's come from evil. Christian, be aware po. Sabi nga sa 2 Chronicles 7:14, if my people who will called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face, then I will hear them from heaven. I will forgive their sins and heal their land. What is our duty? Mga kapatid, punuin ang mundo ng salita ng Diyos. Magbahagi tayo dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano yung kanilang ipinaglalaban. We are calling not to lead by emotion but lead by conviction. We are calling not to be led by anything.